Hi Beta Tech fam, tired of lugging around the outdated equipment? Mohammed, here, and the future of content creation is in your hands. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra boasts a powerhouse camera and processing that could put a professional studio to shame. But before you empty your wallet, let's see if the hype matches reality. Join me on Beta Tech for a full review of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, the phone that might just change the content creation game. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra has arrived, and it's not just another flagship phone. This is a meticulously crafted device aimed at content creators and tech enthusiasts who demand the absolute best. Let's delve into the specifics. Superb camera. Here's the piece de resistance. The camera system. Xiaomi boasts a second-generation 1-inch sensor, the largest currently available on a smartphone. This translates to phenomenal low-light performance, capturing stunning detail and clarity even in challenging lighting conditions. Beyond the main sensor, a versatile suite of additional lenses provides options for wide-angle shots, telephoto zoom, and various creative effects. Think of it as a professional-grade camera setup, condensed into a sleek portable device. The second feature is its smooth processor, which, capturing breathtaking visuals, is only half the battle. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra tackles the editing side with the latest Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor. This powerhouse delivers smooth and efficient performance, handling even the most demanding video editing tasks with ease. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or a budding filmmaker, this phone won't hold you back. If you talk about the display, so the display is a content creator's canvas, and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra doesn't disappoint. It boasts an LTPO AMOLED panel with a 1440 pixel resolution, ensuring crispness and detail without sacrificing battery life. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep and inky, and the high refresh rate makes everything feel smooth and responsive. Reviewing footage, editing photos, or simply consuming content becomes a truly immersive experience. Content creation can be a battery-draining activity. Thankfully, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra packs a 5000 mAh battery, offering ample power to last through a busy day of filming, editing, and sharing. Furthermore, the phone supports 90-watt wired charging, allowing you to quickly refuel during breaks or between projects. Alright everyone, that's all about the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. This phone is a beast, and whether you're a photography enthusiast, a power user, or just someone who wants the best of the best, it's definitely worth considering. But before you hit that like button, remember to subscribe to the Beta Tech channel for more awesome tech reviews and unboxings. Hit that subscribe bell so you never miss an upload, and let me know in the comments what you think of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.